In this video, I'm going to show you how I keep physical documents and records for my cars. So I put them in this binder and I make like these nice cover pages for them with all the information, year, model, VIN, and options and production date. I have the side labeled as well. And optionally, I put some nice pictures on the back. So yeah, inside, I'm trying not to show you my personal information, but I have all the records of everything. And I'm going to show you how to put together a binder like this for yourself. So these are the materials that you'll need. So I have a 2-inch binder here and a 1.5. I usually use the 1.5 unless you have a lot of documents and you need the 2 or bigger. And this is the heavy duty with 4 pockets from Staples. So I just like the double sleeves here. And it has, and this is the type of binder you want with the double folding side. And then yeah, there's the same binder, just smaller. And I like to put a folder in the back too. So here's another Staples heavy duty pocket folder. And I have clear sheet protectors. And this is a pack of 200, so get as many as you need. So the first step is to put the pocket folder in the back. After the pocket folder is in, that's when you can start using the sheet protectors and putting your documents in them. You can use them front to back so you save space. So normally I like to go in order of just the date in which they occurred. Some people like to categorize it by type of work or type of parts. So this is where you can really do anything you want. But my preference is just going by the date in which the items occurred. So here, for example, we have license plates and a work document. So the work document will go into the folder and these will go into the back of the binder. And this is where the double pockets come in handy. The lesser access stuff can go in the back and the stuff you need more often goes in the front. And then this instruction pamphlet can go in here because there's no date to it. And it's just instructions, it's not like there's parts order on it. Alright, so I just finished putting all the papers in the sheet protectors. I went through 1 pack of these, so that's over 100 pages. So I started using the second pack a little bit. But here we go, trying not to show too much info, but yeah, it's pretty full. So next up, I'm going to show you how to do the cover page and the side page. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to format the front page if you want to do one. So this is just Microsoft Word. You can do this in any word processor. It's very basic. So it's really simple. We just have the top text is just centered and it's Times New Roman with 26 size font. So the first one is the year, make, and model. Second line is the VIN number. And I'll add a space and then insert a picture. And underneath, I have more text, so I have the chassis code, paint color, interior color, and the production date. And this is also Times New Roman, but this is a smaller size, it's 18. And if you want to do the spline on the binder, the side piece, so all you do is go on Google, type in the 2-inch binder spline template, and there's a few out there. So I went with one from Avery, and you can just re-type in whatever size yours is. It'll give you options on how you want to format it. So I did Microsoft Word, and it's a free download. So once we download it, we can open it, and here it is. So this is how I formatted mine. So I just found a nice transparent Mercedes logo, put on both sides, centered the text, and I just did year, make, and model, and the VIN number underneath. And I printed it and cut it. So when you print this template, these lines won't show up. So you gotta measure and cut it, but it looks really nice. So that's how I did the side pieces. And the final product will look like this once you print out the pages and insert them. So we got a nice cover page, our side, and optionally you could do the rear. So I just put 2 nice shots of my car. And here we have some more examples of completed ones. So we can see this one has a donor car on it. And we put the manufacturer's logo. And here's even some different ones. I hope you found that helpful, and thank you for watching.